Now, so what are the types of nickel based superalloys? Superalloys, you can think about, I mean, in every alloys we have used the word alloys only, right? But here we are using superalloys, means they are having the more properties, or their properties are good for the mechanical applications. That's why we are using as a super. Super means something which is having a good in their nature. Okay, that's why we use the word super. Okay, so wrought nickel based superalloys, they are the processed by the forging, rolling, or extrusion. Okay, these are the process. I hope that you have read in a manufacturing engineering, forging, okay, rolling and extrusion. These all are the process. Okay, so they all are possible in this particular material types. Examples are the inconel 718, inconel 625, and this one is X. Okay, so used in the gas turbine, disk, heat exchangers, and nuclear reactors. Now, second one is the cast nickel based superalloys. So they are the manufacturer using the investment casting for the complex shapes. Examples as this one, this one, and this one. I mean the RAIN 41, MAR M247s in column 738. These are all the example of this particular cast nickel based superalloys. So used in turbine, blades, and combustion chambers. As you can think about, when we are using the turbine blades, they are having a more heat when they are in working condition, as well as if we talk about the combustion chamber, they are also experiencing the more heat. So the main, I mean, every alloy have their one property which is at the top. Okay, so in the previous we have discussed that the corrosion resistance is more important when we talk about aluminum magnesium, right? And if we talk about the aluminum copper, then we have the more strength. As far as this particular nickel based superalloy is concerned, we are having the high heat resistant. So at a very high temperature, they can not melt, they can sustain their mechanical properties. Okay, they can behave a normal material. Okay, and they basically, they are basically heat resistant material. So these all are the basic properties that you need to keep in your mind once you hear the name of these alloys. Okay, so that, I mean, lots of things are there, but you get confused in that. So you, when once you will start reading, then you will be having a habitual of memorizing that all properties. But for in general, you can keep one thing in your mind to specify the different kind of materials very easily, or better to say the alloys. Okay, so powder metallurgy, nickel based super alloys made by the sintering and hot isostatic processing, pressing for improve microstructure. So in this kind of uh, the super alloys that we are having the improved microstructure at a very atomic level, the structure gets defined. Examples are Astroloy Reno 95 used in the high stress aerospace and components. Okay.